Hello friends, in this very special video I'm going to share 5 important tips which will make your computer way faster and way better than earlier. So it will be just like a brand new computer. The performance, the booting time, all will be good. So let's get started. So the very first thing is we need to remove the junk from the computer. So make sure you watch the whole video. So we need to do a right click on the start icon and click on run, and here type prefetch, prefetch. The moment you press OK, this will open up a new window where we have all the junks created by the computer, not by you. All these files are not required, so you can select any of the file, press Ctrl A and then press Shift Delete. And why we are pressing Shift Delete is just to remove all those files permanently. So some of the files may not get deleted, which is absolutely fine. So I'll close this. Once this is done, we need to again do a right click and then go to the Task Manager. In the Task Manager, we will go to the startup item. This is a very important part, very important step. So here we need to disable most of the unwanted programs at the startup. So what happens when you have so many unwanted programs at the startup? So when you turn on, the system gets freezed, and it gets a lot of load in the machine, which is not at all good for the CPU and the hard drive. So make sure whatever the unwanted programs you see, like Skype or anything, you can always open them by just doing a double click on it. I do not want them at the startup, so I have just disabled. How we can do that is just do a right click and click on disable from here. So make sure you're not disabling any Microsoft service, but anything which is and seems like it can be disabled at the startup, so you can disable it. So once you disable all unwanted programs, we will move to the third step, which is a disk cleanup. Now here we just need to do a right click and go to run, and here we need to type clean mgr, and this is a magic step. It will calculate all the junk, temporary files, cache in your computer. So make sure you have all the check marks. Currently this is an absolute clean machine, so this doesn't have much junk or temp cache. In your case, you might have 15-20 gigabytes of junk sitting there in the computer and making the computer slow. So to make the computer faster, we just need to select all these check mark and click on OK. Once this is done, you just need to click on delete files, and we are get rid of all the bad files created by the computer is getting deleted. So third step is done. Now we are moving to the fourth step. For that, in the search bar, type defrag. So once you type defrag, you will get defragment and optimize drives. So I just have to open it and select your C drive. Since my operating system is in the C drive, so I'll select that and I'll click on optimize. The moment you will click on optimize, it will ask you to say yes, and you can start scanning. So the fourth step is done. Now we are moving to the fifth and final step, which is need to go to start. Just do a right click and go to settings, and here just type power. So here we click on power and sleep settings, and then at the right hand side you will find additional power settings. Here we need to select the power plan. So either you can reset the power plan or select the balanced or high performance. So here you can select restore default settings for this plan. So somehow if it's not letting you to change the power plant to high performance, you can always reset and restore it to defaults. Once this is done, you just need to restart the computer and see the magic. You will feel the difference. So if that is, please hit the like button and please subscribe my channel. I really need your support, guys. I'm really working hard for you. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.